Paul, Intoco have got a number of different machine tools. They've got a lot of different stock they supply to engineers. Now, the DMG MORI NT series, now this is designed for a number of reasons. Could you explain in your experience what this is for?
This is a great machine. This is real technology at its best, and the attention that they paid to the creation and the build of this machine is something that makes it stand out in my opinion. If you look at the way the milling head on this machine is crafted, is created, it's in a box-in-box construction, which means it's fully surrounded. It's also got something what they call DCG, which is direct centre of gravity. So you've got a ball screw either side of the milling spindle as well. So it's completely surrounded. It's also like a horizontal construction. So you look at their popular horizontal machining centres, they're built in a similar way, or there's areas of those that are introduced onto this machine which they know are successful for milling. Then of course you're talking about a turning centre, and here we've got twin spindle turning, we've got a flatbed base which is very low to the ground as well, so you can get rid of any of the vibration in the machining process. Now the machine is really built for, you know, high value parts, and that's where it fits in the marketplace. If you've got materials like Intoco supply here, they are perfect for this type of machine.
And when you look at the type of customers this fits in, I mean, we're not just talking about what they've got here at Intoco. You know, obviously they're proving out jobs for certain clients, but where does this fit into the market, would you say?
I think there's two areas to look at it. There's material type and the difficult nature of the part. Then there's the volumes of components and the reliability that you need. There's lots of factors that come into play when you're selecting a machine, but what's fair to say is that whether the parts and the materials are challenging, or whether the volumes are high or the volumes are low, what you've got here is a machine that's well proven in the marketplace, built to stand the test of time, but has got things integrated on it as standard, which maybe some other machines might not have, which is, you know, an oil-cooled spindle on the milling head, 120 degrees plus or minus on the milling head, full 5-axis capability, you know, things to stop thermal growth, and all of these factors are massively important within the manufacturing process, kind of regardless of what sector you're in.
And I think also when you're hitting hard materials as well, you obviously need a very accurate, stable machine. But could you add automation solutions to this?
You could add automation to it. I mean, it's a very automated process in itself for one-hit machining. Of course, you can be, you know, doing OP 1 on the front spindle and OP 2 on the back. You could have a turret on the bottom of the machine. You could have a gantry loading solution on it. So it does really fit itself into companies that are looking at machining of very, very critical, high-value parts that they need to make reliably and accurately, and they need the machine to stand the test of time.
And does it get any better than the NT series, do you think?
I think when you look at the concept of this machine, I think it's something that's going to be integrated into more factories in the future, purely because it means that you can push the button and walk away. I think that the concept of having a very powerful milling spindle with a very fast milling spindle as well means that you've got, you know, not only a true turning centre here, but you've got a true milling machine too. So I think you will see this style of machine in a lot more factories, and I think that, you know, people will find this offering from DMG MORI very, very attractive.
And the benefit is there is stock at DMG MORI UK, so contact them and you can actually discuss the options available to you.